southern to central America. And they typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. They also love corn. There you go, our show is officially started. A round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit. Hello everyone, maayong hapon sa tanan and welcome to Cebu Ocean Park's Amphitheater. By the way, my name is Alpi and I'll be your host for this show. Now for our next featured birds, they're just like any best of friends. Best of friends can sometimes be competitive, right? Now let's call in our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. And today, they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups. Now for the boys, let's cheer for blue. Come on boys, say, go blue, go blue. Alright, now for the girls, let's cheer for azul. Come on girls, say, go azul, go azul. Alright, so trainers, birds ready? Ready, set, go! Who has the cheer for them? Here comes azul on the table. First ball for azul, followed by blue. Second ball for azul, second ball for blue. Here comes blue, shaking and making blue. It's this game. That's alright, azul. Alright, Joseph, what happened? You guys lose this game. What do you say?
Well, Adrian, I won another race.
Oh, they want another race. Adrian?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Azul to lose again?
Oh, intense fight.
This time, I guarantee you, Azul and I will sure to win.
Alright, so confident.
Alright, so what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race do you want?
Let's do a race.
Ring race. Alright, explain to us what is a ring race.
The first bird who can drop 30 into the pool, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
Alright, so a ring race, it shall be. Remember, boys already got 1 point, so girls, let's cheer louder for Azul to win this time. We'll be doing this again with a ring race. Alright, so trainers, girls ready? Ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Azul. Here comes blue and Azul on. Let's say the first ring for blue. Hey, what is this? I just think of hers at the same time. What a next level thing. Alright, what's up my little again? Alright, Adrian just saw that. Clearing at the same time for Azul. What can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Ooh, did you guys cheat?
Hey girls, did we cheat? No, we didn't cheat. Azul used her brain.
Oh, so is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Alright, give it up for blue and azul. At this point, we would like to show you our macaws in flight. Are you ready your cameras? Because blue and azul will fly above your heads. Alright guys, here's a trivia. Parrots are monogamous, meaning they only have one partner in their whole lifetime. Sana all. They are also social beings, meaning they love to fly together with their partner or in flocks. And here in captivity, they are imprinted by their trainers. And there you go. Alright, so that's it for our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, blue and azul. Now this time I need a volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Anyone who wants to volunteer? Just raise your hand. Ayaw kawa. Any money bill? Just raise your hand. Now go on, guys. Kita-kita na rin. Yes, ma'am? Where is Nora? Hi, ma'am. I'm hapon, ma'am. Can I have your name first? Alright, our applause for our volunteer, Miss Christina. Alright, ma'am. Can I have your... Let's stand right here, ma'am. Stand right here. Stand right here. Alright, just face towards the table. Have your money, ma'am. Alright, I'll get something in. Alright, ma'am. Christina, please extend your left arm sideways like this. Extend lang ma'am. Face on the ma'am. There you go. Alright. I'll put your money between your fingers. Alright, ma'am. Be ready because here comes our money bird, Blue. There you go. Blue, fly. Over. Fix the money. Alright, Blue, what's next? Let's go, Blue. Blue flies back on the table and Blue wants to. There you go, this is the money. Let's give a applause for our donor. Okay na ka ito, ma'am? How about 1,000 pesos, ma'am? Must go without? No, ma'am, I'm just kidding. Let's go there in front and we will insert your money. But before that, you will have a photo opportunity with Blue souvenir. Alright, ma'am? Let's bring your phone. And let's have a photo with Blue. Alright, just follow Adrian's instruction, ma'am. Alright, have your phone. There you go. Thank you so much, Blue. Here's your phone, ma'am. And here's your money bag. Let's give a applause for our volunteer. Alright guys, who here loves math? We're gonna have math rin, no? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, the next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed. Even as trainers, do you think birds can plus 50? We all know the answer, right? But we must not tell the answer yet. Let us see if our mathematical wizard can solve the equation. But before that, let me shuffle the numbers first. Alright, now let's call in our mathematical wizard, Snow. Snow is our Moluccan cockatoo. Scientific name is Caratua malucensis. These birds are endemic in the Seram archipelago of eastern Indonesia. As you can see, Snow right there has a pinkish white feathers. That is why they are also called as salmon-crested cockatoos. Just like any other cockatoos, they are very loud birds and can mimic almost any sound. Alright guys, have a closer look at Snow. Inaanag na siya kasama guys. Joseph tells Snow that their equation is 25 plus 50. Taas-taas biting ka number. Let us see if Snow can solve the equation. Alright, Snow is realizing the equation right now. Ready? 7. Alright. Good start, Snow. On to the second number. Let's go, Snow. You sure about that? Dili mao, Snow. Uy. One more try, Snow. Last one. Last one. There you go. She picks number 5. So the answer is 75. Let's give her a applause for mathematical wizard, Snow. And Goldi. Alright, so we have their bandit on your right, and as you can see, his body is covered with mostly red footage. His wing and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has a white, naked face, striped with small red feathers. The scientific name is Aragorotus. Alright, have a close look at Bandit. Red Bandit, say hi to everyone. Hi! Hi. There you go. Alright. On your left is Goldi, our blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue on their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and inner wings. Their eyes and beak are solid black. Their scientific name is Aragorona. There you go. Alright, so that's it for Goldi. And the blue right here is red, or Eclectus parrot. Eclectus parrots are very unusual in the parrot family. It is because of their extreme sexual dimorphism, meaning you can easily distinguish if it's a male or a female by their colors. Alright, so red right here is a female Eclectus parrot. It is because of her bright red coloration. Whereas of the male, they will appear bright green color. Alright, so the scientific name is Eclectus proratus. An Eclectus can approximately live up to 30 years old, while our macaws right here can live up to 70 years old. Alright, so that's it for 3 types of parrots in Cebu Ocean Park: Bandit, Red, and Goldi. Now, parrots in particular are known to be intelligent and perceptive. That is why we continue to enhance their skills so that they won't get bored. Now, who knows this game? This is called the Shape-Box Puzzle. Do you still remember playing this game while you were still kids? Now let's call in Bandit once again, and he's going to show us how intelligent he is by putting all the shapes right back to the correct spots. Although this Shape-Box Puzzle is learned behavior, this is not possible without Bandit's intelligence, memory, and perception. They really have very good memories and can remember even the smallest details. There you go, pretty intelligent, right? I don't know applause for the green macaw, Bandit. Object on your left, right, or in the middle. Again, which side? Left, right, or in the middle? Where? Ready? Alright. Alright, now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldi. Alright, so guys, do you believe that Goldi has the ability to find that hidden object? You can say yes, let me hear you say, you can do it, Goldi. Alright, Goldi, find the hidden object for us. Where could it be, Goldi? Searching. There you go, she found it. A round of applause for psychic bird, Goldi. also have this special sense called the magnetic reception, where they can detect the Earth's magnetic force, perceive direction, altitude, and location. Alright, there you go. That's it for our birds of prey and our homing pigeons. Now here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also to those who are in the land and air as well. Now guys, who knows that we are to the proper waste disposal? It is the reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's right. Now let's call in our lovely birds once again, and they're going to show us the proper waste disposal by following the 3 R's. Helps keep our environment clean and fresh, save the earth from global warming, and reduces environmental pollution. What's that to say, guys? That a lot of animals are struggling their lives right now due to pollution caused by proper waste management. Please, let's help save one of the greatest creation of God and a gift of Mother Nature. Now, always remember, only if we understand can we care, and only if we care can we help, and only if we help shall they be saved. See, if our lovely parents can do it, then why can't we? Ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own ways, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this world, because remember, this is the only home we've got. Now let me present to you the animals and trainers that made the show possible. We have Freddy with Irvin. We have Snow with Adrian. And Azul with Joseph. And with me here is Goldi. And again, I am Alfie, your host for the show. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and goodbye. Stay safe, everyone. Please always wear your mask and observe social distancing. Bye!